So RESOLV stands for Ruhr Explore Solvation. RESOLV initiated Solvation Science as a new interdisciplinary topic. We see the solvent as a major driver of all these processes. It would get the Oscar for the best supporting actor.
RESOLV is about interactions of molecules. If you have a system and you have different molecules and they meet each other in a certain liquid environment, that includes the solvent, and that is what RESOLV is about. What solvent is the best one if you want to do a particular reaction, if you would like to get a certain product.
The reason I'm here is RESOLV. I would not have come to Dortmund and to Ruhr without this fantastic center being established. And this works like a magnet for people who work in fields that are related to solvation and eventually that work in fundamental chemical physics. The team of scientists is also very international. We really have active collaborations all over the world, and that makes, again, this center extremely scientifically rich.
So when you're a young PI, networking is like super important. And the RESOLV network has given us various opportunities to use techniques which aren't available to us without RESOLV. I think it's truly unique because it's a highly diverse and at the same time specialized network and cluster. And I think it has already changed the way the community thinks about solvation and the solution state.
My plans for my research program have been considerably influenced by the diversity at RESOLV, because there are certain problems I just wouldn't be able to work on myself, that I only am able to work on because there are spectroscopists here who know about particular spectroscopic techniques that I just hadn't even heard of.
Our experiments are complicated. They require really very particular conditions because one has to have top-level laboratories. And this is something that is also taken care by RESOLV.
We started with RESOLV here with RUB being the host institution and with this CEMOS as a home of Solvation Science. In the second period, we had a stronger involvement of the TU Dortmund, and now they are building up major infrastructure in Dortmund, which is Kaledo, oriented more to applied science. We think it's now time for the next step, which means a rapid transfer from innovation based on excellent science up to products to face societal challenges and also to include AI assistant approaches.
We are talking to companies here in the Ruhr area. We also envision to install a transfer lab together with Evonik at one of their sites to really bring ideas into application as fast as possible.
Top-level research flows from highly talented researchers, and this includes the early career researchers. We were able to hire international experts in their field.
What I really enjoy is that we are on an equal level to the established professors, and I think that is unique to be taken seriously at such an early stage of the career. I think that is something, I'm really grateful for.
It's starting from 3 European Research Council winners to 24. And of course, we are especially proud of the Nobel Prize of Benjamin List, who was a PI from the beginning on in RESOLV.
2 years ago, I was lucky to have a Humboldt Professorship Award, which again is a game changer for researcher. One of the pillars is my integration into RESOLV infrastructure. And that was really one of the winning points of the whole proposal. Everything is coupled, right? So it's the excellence of researcher, but also excellence of the place where we come.
RESOLV has really made a huge contribution to the field of solution state and solvation across chemistry and physics, basically worldwide. Like, it has a really international impact.
The biggest success of RESOLV is that we have the people. Engineers and natural scientists meet in RESOLV to collaborate and to discuss.
We go beyond boundaries between the institution, between subjects, but even beyond boundaries between countries. So we have an international faculty of top scientists worldwide, and I think that's what makes our success.